Hello everyone, today we'll be checking remove element problem. It's an easy problem, and given an array of nums and a value, you have to remove all instances of the value in place and return the new length. And the constraint is to not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with constant memory. So first we will develop the strategy to solve this problem. Step 1. Initialize all required variables. Step 2. Iterate from I equal to 0 till equal to array.length. We have to check for the following condition. Step 2.1. If the required variable is an index variable, size variable. So if array I is not equal to the given value, then we have to update array I equal to array size as well as increment the size, and finally step 3, return the size. Let's see how this works. Let us run through a sample program. For inputs 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 4, 2 and value is equal to 2, we have to return the size as well as modify the array in place. So first we will initialize the required variable. So size will be equal to 0. Now we will be iterating from I is equal to 0 till the end of array. And first we will be checking if array I equal to value. Array I is not equal to value, so we are moving in array I equal to array 0. No modification will be done, and size will be incremented. So size will be 1. We'll move to the next case. Okay, 1. Now size is equal to 1. Now we are checking array I is equal to value. Array is not equal to value. So we are copying the element as well as incrementing size. Now we are moving to the next item. Now array I is equal to value. So we are not doing anything. We'll move to the next element. Now we are checking whether array I is equal to value. So we are moving to the next element. Now we are checking. For this case, array I not equal to value. So we are replacing array I size equal to array I. So we'll be replacing this 2 with 3 as well as incrementing the size. Now we will be incrementing I. So array I not equal to value. So we will be copying the element to the index of size. So 0, and we will be incrementing size. Now we will be moving to the next element. For array I is not equal to value. So we will be replacing the index of size, and as well as we will be incrementing size. Now we will be moving to the next element 2. Here 2 is equal to value. We won't be doing anything, and finally we will be returning this size. So now let us start the coding section. So int size is equal to 0. For int I is equal to 0, I less than here the array name is nums, so we'll change it to array. So here our dot length I plus plus. So now we will be moving to step 2.1. If array I not equal to 1, then update array size is equal to array I, as well as increment size plus plus, as well as increment size, and finally we have to return size. Now we'll submit the code and our solution is accepted, and it is 100% faster than other solutions. Thank you and have a great day.